SIPS 2024 provides solutions for industrial and manufacturing sectors. Net zero, hydrogen, biomass, green energy, waste processing, circularity, and many more ideas and concrete solutions for industry, all under one roof. Connect with leading scientists and Nobel laureates, all presenting at out plenary and breakout sessions. SIPS has had many large corporations sponsor and participate, such as Tima, Yildirim Group, Kobe Steel, Gorsuch's Foundation, Samarco, Reliance Industries Limited, Glass Service Incorporated, Micron Technology, Vargan Alloys AB, Yilmata Incorporation, ND Feb Corporation, Grupo Vittorial, Biena Siderurgica S.A., Oribus, Hadronic Technologies Corporation, Caros Galveo Siderurgia, Southern Copper Corporation, Nippon Steel, Pinolus Industries, Passar Corporation, Berzelius Metal, Asarco LLC, and many more participators. Join us at the Out of the Blue Resort in Crete, Greece, October 20th to 24th for the future of industry.